Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Pretty excited about this one. It's one of my favorites. I don't make it that often, but I tell you what, I love the whiskey sour, and I'm gonna bring it to you the more traditional way of doing this. So let's get going. Hey guys, got one cocktail shaker here, and to get us started here, I'm going to come in here, and this is an egg separator because I want just the egg white of one egg. Hopefully I don't screw this up. Very patient with this one. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, I'm going to add just a couple ice cubes. Supposed to give it a dry shake, but I think just a couple cubes helps break it up. We just want to emulsify this egg, so we're just going to give this a good dry shake. Alright, to this we're going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Jim Beam Black Label. Hey guys, this is just some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And this is about 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce, your choice. And about 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce of just simple syrup. Right, add some ice to our shaker. We'll give this a good shake. Put in our ice-filled glass, strain her on in. Perfect. Orange, we're going to garnish this with an orange here. Right on in the drink. And a cherry. Folks, the whiskey sour. Cheers to you guys. Gotta get some of this, tell you what. That is so good. The egg white just kind of makes it a smooth taste, and I tell you what, it does not kill the flavor at all. It actually enhances the flavor a little bit. You don't have to use the egg. As a matter of fact, most of the time I do not, just because it's faster to make the drink without the egg. But with the egg, I tell you what, if you're not allergic to it or anything, give it a try sometime. It is tasty. Folks, the whiskey sour. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm having a blast doing these drink videos for you. Nice addition to the channel. So guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Hit that bell notification down there. It'll let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you as always. And folks, we will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye. And I'm going in for more.